Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my pupils. So this time around, we are going to continue with our PDPR and the next part is on writing tasks. So let's take a look at the exercise on page 93. Further down, go to questions D. So the question here is, read the writing task below and write a firm review. Okay, the question is, soalannya, a film club you belong to has asked its members to write reviews of film that they have watched recently. Kelab filem yang anda sertai mahukan setiap ahlinya menulis ulasan filem yang baru mereka tonton. The reviews will be posted on the club's web page. Ulasan akan disiarkan di laman web kelab berkenaan. Okay, so that is the question. Now, let's take a look at the plan. How to write a movie review. So when writing a film review, follow the plan below. So you have to follow this guideline when you write your movie review later. So there are how many paragraphs altogether? 4 paragraphs. 1 introductory paragraph, 2 content paragraphs, and 1 closing paragraph. So there are 4 paragraphs altogether. Okay, what to write in the opening paragraph? So here you need to give a brief introduction of the film that you are about to review. So here the notes say that you need to give some general information about the film. Kamu perlu berikan sedikit maklumat umum tentang filem berkenaan. For example, title, tajuk, type of film, jenis filem. Is it a horror story, romantic movie, animated film, comedy, action-packed, adventure? Okay. Director. Who is the director? And leading actors. Leading actors means pelakon utama. Okay. One reminder for you, when you write a movie review, you are encouraged to use the present tense. Okay, even though the story is about something that happened in the past. Okay, for example, about MH370 or MH10. If there is a movie about those two events, you still need to use the present tense in your movie review. Okay, we continue. Okay, you may use phrases like, boleh gunakan frasa seperti it's a romantic film, okay, or an adventure film, a horror film, an animated film, or a comedy, etc. Okay, bullet 2, stars in this film. For example, Zul Arifin stars in this movie. This film, okay, next one. The film stars Awi, Era Fazira, and Sian Hassin. Okay, those were the actor and actresses during my time. Okay, next one. Is the leading actor or actress. Give a name. Okay, Mamat is the leading actor. Okay, or Minah is the leading actress. Next one. Plays the leading role. Amin plays the leading role. Or Ahmad has the leading role. Next example, the role of Hang Tuah is played by Nazim. Okay. Next one. Cik Iyah plays the character of Cik Iyah plays the part of Tun Teja. Okay. Lastly, it was directed by Piramli. Okay. Next one. Okay, we're done with the introduction or introductory paragraph. Next, we move on to the body paragraph. Okay, content. So here, okay, you must write in 2 paragraphs. So in the first paragraph, okay, what you must do. You need to give a brief summary of the plot. Use phrases like, kamu hendaklah memberikan summary, okay, ringkasan tentang plot. Gunakan frasa seperti, the film is set in Kampung Kubang Gali. Okay? The film is about two best friends who work hard, okay, to build a castle in Usia Baru. Okay? The hero or heroine of the film, okay, succeeds, okay, in educating the children, okay, in the rural village. Okay, number 2, you need to make comments about what you like or didn't like about the film. Kamu hendaklah membuat komen tentang apa yang kamu suka dan tidak suka tentang filem berkenaan. For example, you can comment on the plot, jalan cerita, acting, cara lakonan, soundtrack. Soundtrack means song, okay, special songs made for the movie. Okay? For example, a movie Ombak Rindu, it has a soundtrack, Ombak Rindu, okay, sung by Hafiz and Adira. Okay? Okay, next one, special effects, kesan khas. Okay, next one, costume, pakaian. And lastly, ending, etc. You may use phrases like, the film is action-packed. Filem itu penuh dengan aksi, or the film is full of suspense. Filem itu penuh dengan suspense. Okay, next one. It includes some very amusing scene. Ia mengandungi sebahagian adegan yang menarik, or violent scene. Violence means ganas. And lastly, the most outstanding feature is ciri-ciri yang paling penting ialah, the most outstanding feature is the costumes worn by the actors and actresses in the movie. Okay, lastly, the conclusion, penutup. What you must include in the conclusion. So in the conclusion or closing paragraph, you need to state, nyatakan your general opinion about the film. Kamu kena nyatakan pendapat umum tentang filem berkenaan, and say dan kata whether you recommend it or not. Sama ada kamu syorkan filem ini kepada rakan-rakan anda. Sama ada kamu syorkan filem ini kepada kawan ataupun tidak. Okay, you may use phrases like, it's a classic. Ia adalah filem klasik. It's a blockbuster, pecah panggung, blockbuster, or it's a box office hit, tersangat laris di pawagam, box office hebat. Okay? Okay, next example, I was disappointed by the film. Saya kecewa dengan filem berkenaan. Next, it's a great film for action lovers or horror fans. Itu adalah filem yang hebat untuk mereka yang sukakan aksi ataupun peminat filem seram. Okay, next, all in all, secara keseluruhannya, all in all, secara ringkasnya, pendek kata, I found the films boring or exciting. Filem itu membosankan ataupun menarik. Next one, I definitely recommend it to moviegoers. Saya secara dasarnya mengesyorkan filem ini kepada peminat-peminat filem. Okay, next one, it's not worth seeing. Ia tidak berbaloi untuk ditonton ataupun, or it's worth seeing. Ia berbaloi ditonton. Okay, either one. Okay, next one, it was better than I expected. Ia sangat baik, ia lebih baik daripada yang saya harapkan. Okay, next, you shouldn't miss it for the world. Kamu wajib tengok filem ini. Jangan berlengah lagi, okay? Jangan miss tengok filem ni. You shouldn't miss it for the world. Next, it's suitable for both children and adult. Sesuai untuk kanak-kanak dan orang dewasa. Next one, it is sure to appeal menarik to all ages, kepada semua peringkat umur. Next one, if you haven't seen it, make sure you do. Kalau awak belum tengok, pastikan awak tengok. Next one, it's a waste of time and money. Membazir masa dan duit saja. Okay, next one, you'll be on the edge of your seat during the whole film. Awak akan berada di hujung tempat duduk anda semasa penayangan filem di pawagam. And lastly, it's unlike anything you have seen before. Ia tidak seperti apa yang anda lihat sebelum ini. Okay, so to help you writing this film review, you may refer to the sample film review Ola Bola. So please write exactly like this, but don't copy exactly like this. Okay, you find a movie and then you write, okay, movie review by following the guidelines. Okay, there are many samples online or in a reference book or workbook. Okay, you may find sample film review and write for me. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Have a nice day and make sure you do this homework. Okay, I give you 1 week, 7 days to complete your homework, and I think it is more than enough. Other teachers normally they give you 1 or 2 days, but I give you 7 days. If you still do not do it, then okay, I don't know what to say. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.